Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Come with me, let's refurbish or let's redecorate and let's get this room blowing up. Let's go. So I started by packing in some things that needed to be moved into the room so I could start the whole process of cleaning, arranging, putting things where they need to be. So I had help from my friend, my very good friend. Yeah, he helped me move some things to the room. Yeah, so we started by moving the bed, moving some other items like the fridge, the microwave and all that. It's just a mini room though, but come, let's make this room look wow. So this is us fixing the bed. Yeah, I had help. I couldn't do it on my own. So yeah, my friend helped me. So we're trying to couple the bed together because it's that kind of bed that you just couple together. Yeah, you don't need any hammer or anything. So we're just trying to like couple the bed together. And yeah, this is the process of coupling the bed together. So while coupling the bed together, we were just talking, gisting, laughing. It was fun actually doing this and having help. Yeah, he was really of great help to me. He's really a good friend. Yeah. So after that, I decided to, after cleaning the wardrobe, I decided to hang my clothes the way I'd like them to be hung. So I arranged my clothes. These were the hangers I got from Jumia. Yeah, really good hangers and at a very, very affordable price. So this is me just putting my clothes the way I want to see them in the wardrobe. Should I say the wardrobe or the closet? Whatever. But this is me arranging my clothes in the closet. So it was already 9 and man was tired. I decided to come to the restroom, to the bathroom to wash my face and just breathe. I was exhausted, but I didn't want to give up because I didn't want to start the whole day with the walk again. So I just needed to wash my face, take a deep breath, and this is what my room looks like after the whole process of arranging, cleaning and all that. So this is what it looks like. So I got light from Kev's, from an Instagram vendor. So this is me installing my lights. You seen the light, you think it's easy installation. Oh my god, this thing took me like how many hours to install? Like, it wasn't easy. The first design I made didn't come out well. It was looking weird. So I had to bring everything down and I started again and the process was awesome. I enjoyed every bit of it, though it was frustrating at a point. But then because the glue I got wasn't working the way I expected it to work. But then this is the whole process of my light installation. I didn't want to put the other videos, but here's me happy that I have finally succeeded in making a design that I like. So this is what my room looks like. After everything, I decided to, clean up. I decided to sweep my room. Yeah, sweep. Those were the tapes from the whole installation process. So this is what my room looks like. Tell me you don't like Tell me you don't like what you see. Oh my god. So this is basically what my room looks like at the moment. I'm not done yet, but this is what it looks like at night when the whole light is turned off. So tell me you do not like what you see. Would you like to be in this kind of room? Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. A bientôt. But on the more serious note, tell me you don't like what my room looks like right now.